Welcome to Grade 7 Maths Revision Class 2. Students, in this class I am going to teach you chapter number 4, Direct Proportion, Unitary Method. Students, revision number 2, chapter 4, Unitary Method. You also write like the same. I am written and show you now. So, what is unitary method? Children, look at this. First, the value of one unit will be found. Okay, va? So, எது கொடுத்திருந்தாலும் அதோட first one value find பண்ணிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா it will be useful to find the value of the required number of units. So, ஒரு பெண்ணோட cost find பண்ணிட்டோம்னா we can able to find the 100 pence cost. So, it will be easy. So that only they are telling any thing they are given means we have to find the value of one unit. So then with that we can able to find the value of n units. Okay va? For example சொல்லனா தமிழ்ல சொல்றேன். So ஒரு பெண்ணோட காஸ்ட் ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா we can able to find for 50 pence. 100 pence. So ஒரு பெண்ணோட காஸ்ட் 5 rupees னா அப்போ 50 பெண்ணோடது எவ்வளோ 250 rupees. 100 பெண்ணோடது எவ்வளோ 500 rupees. Like that we can able to find. So it is called the unitary method. It is called what ma? Unitary method. This unitary method is coming in direct proportion method. So last class we have learnt all the direct proportion sum. Okay, after that we have to learn this unitary method. Okay, have you clear children what is unitary method? The value of one unit will be found means it will be useful to find the value of required number of units. Okay, it is called the unitary method. So children, look at this example number 4.3. Example number 4.3. Anbu bought 2 notebooks for rupees 24. 2 notebooks for rupees 24. Okay va? So how much money will be needed to buy 9 such notebook? 9 such notebook. Okay, first you write it here children. 2 notebooks equal to rupees 24. Okay va? So as I said before, unitary method means first we have to find for one unit. Unitary method means first we have to find for one unit. So one notebook is equal to rupees 24. This 2 will be come in the division. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. Okay va? Rupees. Okay, அப்போ 2 notebooks 24 na, அப்போ 1 notebook is 12 rupees. இப்போ 1 notebook we found, but they are asked us to find for 9 such notebooks. So now therefore 9 notebooks is equal to, okay ba, அப்போ 1 12 rupees, அப்போ 9 என்ன இருக்கும் 12 into 9 இருக்கும். So 12 into 9 equal to 9 2s are 18, carry 1, 9 1s are 9 plus 10. Okay va? So 108. So 9 notebooks or rupees rate evlo rupees 108. Rupees 108. That's all children. They are given for this much of unit means we have to first find the unit for 1. Then we can able to find for n numbers. Okay, have you understand children? Very much simple sum. Okay, so next sum if I do means will be clear with that. Okay, example number 4.4. A car travels 90 km in 2 hours 30 minutes. In 2 hours 30 minutes. How much such time is required to cover 210 km? Okay, va 210 km. அப்போ எப்படி find out பண்ண பாரு? Example number 4.4. So 1 hour is, here you write time taken to cover 90 kilometer is 2 hours 30 minutes. 2 hours 30 minutes. Okay va? So children, we have to convert into same units. So in the 2 hours la irukadho fullave நம்ம வந்து minutesல convert பண்ண போறோம். So 1 hour is how many minutes? 1 hour is 60 minutes. We all know that. So 2 hour ku 2 into 60 is 120 minutes. So 120 minutes plus this 30 minutes. So 120 plus 30 is equal to 150 minutes. So you can write it here, 90 kilometer, time taken to cover 90 kilometer is 150 minutes. So now how much such time is required to cover 210 kilometer? 210 kilometer. First we have to find for time taken to cover 1 kilometer. So again I will write it here, time okay. Now time taken to cover 1 kilometer is equal to 150 divided by 90. 150 divided by 90 minutes. Okay va? So 150 divided by 90 is equal to how much time it will come? How much time it will come? 1 hour. So we have to find. Okay va? So 150 divided by 90 and do the cancellation. 5 tables, 5 ones are 5, 5 8s are 40, means 18 times 90 will come. 5 3s are 15, 30 times it will come. Okay va? Again in 3 table shall be 6 table I can do. 6 3s are 18, 6 5s are 30. So 5 by 3 will come. Okay, 5 by 3 minute. 5 by 3 minute. Okay, you keep this one aside. So next is they are asked us to find for how many? 210 kilometer. So therefore time taken to cover 210 kilometer is equal to 5 by 3 into 210. Okay, 5 by 3 into 210. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 7s are 21, so 70 will come. So 7 into 70, 5 into 70. Okay, so 5 7s are 45. Sorry, 5 7s are 35. Okay, so 350 minute will come. Okay, 350 minute will come. So time taken, therefore time taken to cover 210 kilometer is 350 minute. So again in the 350 minute we have to convert into the hour and minute. So 60. Okay va? So 350 la எத்தனை 60 இருக்கு? We can find. எத்தனை 60 இருக்கு? 560 is there. Okay, and then 5 hours 50 minutes we can write. இந்த 350 minute தான் எப்படி எழுதியிருக்கேன்? 5 hour 50 minute. 5 into 6 is 300 வந்துரும். Remaining 50 இருக்கு. So 50 minutes. 5 hour 50 minutes. Therefore time taken to cover 210 kilometer is 5 hour 50 minutes. Okay, have you clear children up to this? Very much simple sum. Next children, exercise number 4.1. In that 4.1 last class we have completed up to the sum number 8 it seems. So 8th sum, so all the sums are in the direct proportion method. Now 9th sum onwards it is in the unitary method. So from the 9th sum they given clearly using unitary method. All the sums they are given the unitary method only from the 9th to 13th sum. Okay, so now we are going to find the weight of 72 books is 9 kg. 72 books oda weight evlo 9 kg. What is the weight of 40 such books they are asking? So you can write it here, 72 books equal to 9 kg. So apo one book we have to find means weight of one book is 9 divided by 72. Look at this children, 9 is the smallest number but 72 is the bigger number. So kilogram we have to convert into the gram. If you are converted means this above number will become the largest number, then we can able to divide it very much easily. So 9 kg is equal to 9000 gram. Okay, so kg gram convert pannona multiply by 1000. Multiply by 1000. So if you are multiplying 9 with 1000 means we will get the 9000. So now kg is converted into the gram. So 9000 gram divided by 72. 9000 gram divided by 72. What we will get? 9000 gram divided by 72. What we will get? Can anyone say? If you divide means you will get 125 gram. Okay va? If you have doubt means I will do here the proper division. 9072. 72 one times we will get the 72. So remaining 10 minus 2 is 8, 180 will come. Okay va, so 72 into 72, 2 times only we can get. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, so 144 remaining. I will get 10 minus 4 is 6, 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, now I have 360, so 72 into 5 times if I do means 5 2s are 10, carry 1, and then 5 7s are 30, 5 plus 1 is 36, so I can get the remainder 0. So 125, 9000 divided by 72, answer is 125. So 125 gram. So the weight of one book is 125 gram. Now they are asked us to find the 40 such book. அப்போ 40 such book என்ன பண்ணோம், 40 books in equal to 40 into 125. 40 into 125, what will come? Okay, 0, 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 2s are 8, 9 10, carry 1, 4 1s are 4, plus 1 is 5. So 5000 gram will come. Okay va, so 5000 gram. This 5000 gram again we have to convert into the kilogram, means what will come? 5 kg. So therefore the weight of 40 books equal to how many kg? 5 kg is the answer. Very much simple sum, children. If you are completed with the gram also, no problem, you can leave off. Okay, have you clear with this? I hope everybody understood clearly. So next is Tamarai pays rupees 7,500 as rent for 3 months. With the same rate, how much does she have to pay for 1 year? 1 year, how many months? 1 year, how many months? 12 months. Okay va, 3 months ku 7,500 அப்படினா அப்போ 12 months ku how much they are asking. Okay, shall we find now? So 3 months equal to rupees 7,500. So அப்போ 1 month we have to find, means 1 month equal to 1 month கண்டுபிடிச்சாதான் அடுத்து நம்ம 12 month க்கு கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். Without finding the rate of 1 month we can't able to find the rate of 12 month. Okay va, that is what the unitary method. எந்த யூனிட் கொடுத்தாலும் first ஒரு யூனிட்டை ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணிட்டா தான் நம்ம we can find for n number of units. So 1 month இது வந்து rupees 7,500 divided by 3. What will come? 7,500 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, carry பக்கத்துல 1 na, அப்போ 3 5s are 15. Am I right? Yes. Okay, take the double zero. Okay, have you clear, children? So 1 month oda rate வந்து rupees 2,500. Okay va, rent for 1 month is 2,500. Now they are asked us to find for 12 month, that is 1 year. You can write it here, 1 year, that is 12 months equal to 12 months ku 12 into 2,500. What will come? Do the multiplication this side. So 2,500 into 12. Okay, 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 2s are 4, plus 1 is 5. Okay, then again 2500, you can get 0 0 0, 5 5 10, carry 1, so you can get the 30,000. So up 12 month equal to rupees 30,000. Therefore the rent to pay for 1 year, that is for 12 month, is rupees 30,000. That's all, children. Very much simple. Okay, so next is, if 30 men can reap a field in 15 days, then in how many days can 20 men reap the same field? 20 men reap the same field. Okay, so now 30 men reap the field in 15 days. So we can write 30 men equal to 15 days they have to work. ஓகேவா? அப்போது ஒன் மேன் வந்து we can 15 divided by 30 equal to 15 divided by 30 1 2. Okay, 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, so half day. ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஒன் மேன் வந்து ஹாஃப் டே, 30 men வந்து 15 days. ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஒன் மேன் நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம். தே ஆர் ஆஸ்கிங் 20 men can reap the same, how many days they are asking for 20 men. ஓகேவா? ஸோ now therefore 20 men equal to half into 20. Half into 20 what will come? 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20 equal to 10. Okay, so 10 days will come. So therefore 20 men can reap the same field in how many days? 10 days. Very much simple children. 30 men 15 days அப்படின்னா ஒன் மேன் வந்து ஒரு ஆஃப் டே. அப்போ ஒன் மேன் ஆஃப் டேனா அப்போ 20 மேன் எவ்வளோ நாள் எடுத்துப்பாங்க அது? ஸோ 20 மேன் வந்து 10 days எடுத்துப்பாங்க. ஓகேவா? அப்போ 10 மேன் வந்து 5 days எடுத்துப்பாங்க. ஓகே, have you clear children? Very much simple sum. Okay, 20 men can reap the same field in 10 days. Okay, so next is Valli purchase. Question number 12. Valli purchase 10 pens for rupees 180. Okay, and Kamala buys 8 pens for rupees 96. Can you say who bought the pen cheaper? Okay, first we have to find how much for rupees they bought a single pen, then only we can find the which who is cheaper. Okay va? So first Valli இதை எடுத்துக்கலாம். So Valli bought 10 pens for rupees 180. So 10 pens 180 rupees. So அப்போ 1 pen equal to 180 divided by 10. How much it will come? 0 cancel means 18. அப்போ 1 பென்னோட காஸ்ட் எவ்வளோ? வள்ளி வாங்கினது rupees 18. ஓகேவா? ஸோ கீப் aside. Then take the Kamala bought 8 pens for rupees 96. So 8 pens equal to rupees 96. So Kamala oda 1 pen cost we have to find. So 1 pen equal to 96 divided by 8. 96 divided by 8 what will come? Anyone say? 96 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So 12 time 8 table 96 will come the 12 time. So rupees 12. ஓகேவா? இவங்க ஒரு பெண்ணே 18 rupees வாங்கியிருக்காங்க, இவங்க ஒரு பெண்ணே வந்து 12 rupeesக்கு தான் வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. Then who's cheaper? Yes, Kamala will be the cheaper. So you can write the answer. Therefore Kamala bought the pen cheaper for rupees 12 each. ஓகேவா? each means 1 pen. ஸோ 1 pen 12 rupeesக்கு வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ 8 pens வந்து 96 rupees. அப்போ 10 pens வந்து 180 rupeesக்கு வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. அப்போ 1 penோட காஸ்ட்டு 18 rupees pen இவங்க வாங்கினது. ஸோ இதே இவங்க 10 pens வாங்கினாங்கன்னா what will be the amount? 120 தான் ஆகும். ஆனால் இவங்களுக்கு 180 rupees ஆயிருக்கு. ஸோ Kamala bought the pen cheaper for rupees 12 each. Then யாரை விட? Valli. Okay, have you clear children? Very much simple. So next is a motorbike requires 2 liters of petrol to cover 100 kilometers. How many liters of petrol will be required for 250 kilometers? Very much simple children. So 2 liter petrol 100 kilometer we can travel. So you can write it like that. 2 liter equal to 100 okay kilometer. Then you can change and write, then only you can do the division. So 100 kilometer equal to 2 liter. Okay children, then for 1 kilometer equal to 2 divided by 100 equal to 2 divided by 100, 2 ones are 2, 2 50s are 100, so 1 by 50, 1 by 50. Okay, so 1 kilometer ku 1 by 50 varum. So next they are asking for 250 kilometer, 250 kilometer equal to, so 1 by 50 into 250, 1 by 50 into 250. What will come? 1 by 50 into 250. What will come? Anyone say? So 51s are 50. How many times 50 250 will come? 5 times, no? So 5 will come. So here I have for 250 kilometer 5 liter of petrol we need. 5 liters of petrols we need. So you can write it here. Therefore 5 liters of petrol need to cover 250 kilometer we need. Okay va? So what they are asked, first 2 liter la வந்து 100 kilometer போலாம். அப்போ 250 கிலோமீட்டருக்கு எத்தனை லிட்டர் போக முடியும் they are asking. So we can go with 5 liter petrol இருந்தா we can go for 250 kilometer. Okay, that's all children. Unitary method sums. I have completed all the sums. Okay.